So if you're looking at an in-ground pool, we offer two different types. We offer fiberglass, which is a nice product. It's got a warranty as long as you own the home. So that's pretty favoring for most homeowners, give them some type of comfort level. They are manufactured in a facility that's completely weather dependent. I mean, not weather dependent, but temperature controlled. So you get a nice consistent build. They are, however, limitations are just, you got to be able to find a shell that you like. We do offer two different manufacturers for those. And from a price standpoint, we're seeing usually fiberglass it's good for clients who have maybe home values of the 1.2 and under. We're seeing it's a good price point for them to go with fiberglass if they find a shell they like. Gunite's going to be a little bit more expensive. We usually see that running about 25 to 30% more than fiberglass. And we're installing those on clients' homes who are north of 1.2 and higher in their home values. We're just seeing the market tends to lend itself to a more luxurious product and a more luxury home. So I think both products are built good as long as they are installed correctly. The longevity of them will last, I think, each of them equally. We do use pebble sheen on all of our plaster. So that's a 20-year plaster product. We like the results we're getting from that, the pebble sheen plaster. In a more luxurious home, I think more people are looking for that nice outdoor living space incorporated with a gunite pool. So I think your chances are better for a higher end home to get your ROI back out of the pool and outdoor living area when you sell.